AK Material Handling Systems, and this is your Minute to Connect video series. Today we'll be talking about negative pressure modular cleanrooms. Now there are several advantages to these structures. The first is their versatility. They typically take a fraction of the time as traditional construction, and they can be temporary, permanent, moved, or expanded upon after construction is complete. The second is financial and tax related. So in the past, these structures were subject to a 7-year depreciation period. Now, under the Section 179 deduction, they are eligible for a 100% tax write-off for you. The third advantage of these clean rooms are that they are clean in nature in their construction process. These structures are used and made with prefabricated materials, so you don't have to worry about a dusty, dirty, or busy workplace or building. For more information on these particular clean rooms or any of our offerings or services, please subscribe to any of our social media channels. You can visit our website at akequipment.com and let us help you envision, execute, and excel with your material handling needs.